Today I am telling you how to make parrot feed at home. Budgie's parrot feed. This is kangani and this is bajra, pearl millet, and this is sunflower seed. Now we need to mix them all and put it in this jar. You have to wash budgies birds accessories neat and clean. Now you need Dettol, see, make sure sanitize properly.
All things sanitize.
All things sanitize. Oh. I have washed my budgie's trays. साफ करके लाया हूँ मैं. Oh. Now we make and you need to give these your parrots today and twice a day. Now fill in the container of water. Now there is another feed you can give. This is wheat seed and mix it the water in it. Soak for overnight and this will be up. Swell up. It can be used for budgie seed. This is so beautiful and so colorful. How to be neat and clean well house. My parrots are healthy and strong. Healthy and happy and strong. Because his house is neat and clean. So bye bye. Bye bye.